man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man adds some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family and his words.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, you subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to subscribe to my channel. And thank you. What young men don't get, that they're responsible for the outcome of their life. How you prepare yourself will be the reason why you fail or succeed. Everything that you put into your brain will be the stuff which enables you to succeed. If you put nothing in it, then nothing can come out. Young men control the input process in their brain, that they can have a dramatic end result for their life. This concept must be continuously communicated to these young men so they get the importance of this action. Young men need to understand that in today's world, you are on your own. Preparing yourself for the future is all on you. How you go about educating yourself is a personal problem. Having a specific job or profession that you want in the future needs to have a plan. Planning your specific job or profession must be communicated early in life. There is no guarantee that you'll reach the goal or things may change. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. But once the foundation is laid, switching things around won't be hard. Foundation, the elephant in the room, is education, and how well you focus and purposely study for your future job or profession. There are many resources that can be used to enhance your understanding of whatever your study field will be. The only needed piece is your desire and enthusiasm, along with a commitment to put in the work. The drive to accomplish the tasks at hand to secure your future success is all on you. Do you have what it takes to meet the demand of your journey? Young men need to face this reality head on to solve the problem of what their future will look like. This is something that all young men need to understand, that the outcome in your life is based on how you prepare yourself. So you need to ensure that you're putting in the work and understand that it's all on you to get the work done, to have the drive, to put in the grinding, to make it happen for yourself. So understand that we do want you to succeed in life, but it has to come from you. Succeeding is all about you doing the right thing and getting a good life for yourself. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they about to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words, his bonds will stand with thee.